To create a page, you'll go into the module where you want to create the page and press the plus symbol. From there, you'll get a drop-down menu that asks you what you want to create in the module. Select Page. It'll list for you all the pages you've already created. So if you have a page you've already created that you want in the module, you can simply select it from the list. If you're creating a brand new page, then select Create Page. It will ask you to give the page a name. So maybe I'm going to call this one Notes. From here, you can decide whether or not you want to indent that page. And then when you're ready, press Add Item. New items are automatically added to the bottom of the module. Let's say I want to change the name of my page. I'll use the three-dot menu and select Edit. This will allow me to change indent or name. Let's say I just want to focus on ethos. So now I've updated the name of my page. If I want to move the page, then I can use the three-dot menu and move to, or I can select this checkerboard menu on the side and simply drag and drop the page where I want it to appear in the module. If you have any questions, please let me know.